Hello teacher, today I want to share my opinion on situation 4. I am very happy because I received a big sum of money from my university scholarship. I think opening a safe account for later use is the smartest choice. First, saving money make me feel safe. I don't need to buy anything urgently right now. If I save this money in the bank, I can use it in the future for important things, like paying for extra costs, buying a laptop emergency case. Second, it helped me learn how to manage my money well. I don't choose to buy things for my hobbies because I already have enough stuff, and it is a waste of money. I also don't choose to travel to another country. Traveling is first, but it's used up all my scholarship money very quickly. I prefer to save it in short. Opening a saving account is the best way to use my reward. Thank you.